The Intergovernmental Negotiating Committee's session in Uruguay's Punta del Este for developing an international legally binding instrument to end plastic pollution concluded on December 2, 2022. It endorsed that plastic pollution is rooted in the material's life cycle. The UN Secretariat's document titled Summary of Plastic Pollution said the current system needs to be replaced by a circular economy model for which 4 strategic goals can guide the transition. Eliminate and substitute unnecessary plastic items, including hazardous additives. Design circular plastic products which are reusable, recyclable, or compostable after multiple uses. Ensure that plastic products are reused, recycled, or composted. Manage plastics that cannot be reused or recycled responsibly. Global plastic production was 460 million tons in 2019, compared to 234 million tons in 2000. In the same period, plastic waste rose to 353 million tons from 156 million tons. In 2019, 109 million tons of waste accumulated in rivers and 30 million tons in oceans. Delhi-based think tank Center for Science and Environment's report titled The Plastic Life Cycle notes that petroleum, petrochemical and plastic industries continue to manufacture plastic at an alarming rate in India. Most of the plastic used in India today is for packaging, with crude oil also being converted to plastic every year. Most of this is non-recyclable, single-use plastic. The Extended Producer Responsibility or EPR legislation has been introduced in India in 2022 for plastic packaging. But according to CSE, the execution of the policy will be a major challenge since there are gaps. The informal sector workforce has made recycling possible in India since waste flows to recovery systems through them. Most of India's plastic waste is dumped in open dump sites. The country burnt more plastic waste than it recycled. CSE suggested short-term, mid-term, and long-term measures to tackle plastic pollution in the country, like strengthening India's plastic waste production, consumption, and recycling inventory, making brands disclose the amount of plastics produced, collected, recycled, and burnt each year, including the informal sector in the formal plastic management value chain, designing product packaging, keeping end-of-life stage in consideration, and making petrochemicals accountable.